Kung tools ang usapan, gusto natin yung hindi pabigat, hindi bitin at reliable sa bawat projects. And kung saan ka kukuha ng ganyang performance, syempre, dito na sa BuildMate, your go-to tool store. Today, let's check out the BuildMate 4 inches 800 watts angle grinder. Meron itong 800 watts motor, which means sapat ang power for daily cutting, grinding, and polishing, whether steel, tiles, or metal framework. Hindi ito hirap sa task, consistent power, smooth operation, at reliable sa pangmatagalan. Pang-pro man o home DIY, kaya-kaya. Up to 11,000 revolution per minute, so mabilis ang cut, mabilis ang linis, at maganda ang finish. Plus, 4 inches disc size. Perfect kapag kailangan ng precise control sa tight spaces, pipes, angle bars, at corners. Ready to use out of the box. May carbon brush, spanner, at 5 cutting discs ng kasama. Kaya kung urgent ang project mo, hindi ka na maghahanap ng extra accessories. One stop na dito. And speaking of one stop, kaya solid dito sa BuildMate. Complete sa options, legit brands, at tools for every trade. Kaya kung may project ka, we got the tools, you get the job done. Try the BuildMate 800 watts angle grinder and experience quality na sulit pang workshop at pang site. Dahil sa BuildMate, legit!